Hello there, my name is Ibrohim Abdivokhidov. I'm from Uzbekistan. I'm applying for the US Interfaith Leaders Fellowship on Climate Change 2025 because I'm dedicated to fostering collaboration between the faith communities to drive the climate action rooted in inclusivity and equity. My work with Open Community has highlighted the potential of faith-based groups to inspire positive change. These fellowships focus on interfaith dialogue, and the leadership development will provide me with the tools and the networks to turn my passion into meaningful action within my community and beyond. I bring a strong background in AI research and the proven ability to drive innovation and the collaboration. As an AI research intern at Degree, I implemented advanced research initiatives such as the Zootopia Pi framework for training social intelligent language agents and the CLOA, closed-loop visual assistant, improving the constructive conversation rates by 30%. My leadership qualities like resilience, creativity, and the empathy were crucial in developing Meanwhile AI, an AI-powered mental wellness app that won the third place in the hackathon, where I led a team of three to address a critical social need. In addition to my academic work, I'm an active member of IT community of Uzbekistan, where I lead initiatives that support growth and technological advancements for over 4,000 young enthusiasts. I have published research in esteemed outlets like Springer, and I am currently co-authoring several book chapters on AI's impact on customer experience, image generation, and the cyber threat intelligence. These achievements reflect my passion for applying AI to real-world challenges and my readiness to contribute to the fellowship's goals. Thank you very much.